The aerospace parts manufacturing industry maintains high-quality standards, rigorous testing practices, and strict regulatory requirements in order to ensure the function and reliability of every part. Given the nature of flight, aerospace requires specialized parts which are built with high precision. The way aircraft are produced is precise, so inconsistencies and flaws can have wide-reaching negative effects. This is where FLEXICAM can help. We provide CNC machines which are the best fit for manufacturing aerospace parts because our machines are capable of achieving extremely tight tolerances. The FLEXICAM XL Aero Series is a great machine for sheet metal processing, large format part cutting. It comes with work area from 1580 by 1580 mm to 3 XXX 4x mm and single multiple carriage design with high RPM spindle. The FLEXICAM Ultimate Series is designed to accommodate stack cutting up to 12 mm in one process. It comes with a separate detagging unit to machine tags. This machine can reach up to a maximum speed of 1000 mm per second. It comes with options like high torque spindles, linear scales, cast tables and many other features. It can also be configured for thick sheet machining and mold making. The FLEXICAM Ultimate 5-axis machine comes in a variety of different work areas. It is mainly used for manufacturing honeycomb panels and aerospace aluminum profiles. The FLEXICAM Piranha is a 5-axis CNC router which can operate on work areas of up to 60 by 7 by 5 meter with a wide variety of spindles up to 60 kW. It is mainly used for 5-axis trimming, machining large-scale models, prototypes, molds, and pattern. The FLEXICAM Vel Mill machine is a great option for holding small workpieces securely in one place with an enhanced accuracy of the machine parts. This machine reduces the need for reworking as well as provides an increased feed rate, even for very thin, small and delicate workpieces. This machine is most suitable for many materials like aluminum, brass, copper, plastics and composite materials. Some of the aerospace materials machined on FLEXICAM machines include aluminum, honeycomb, stack sheet, composite. Thanks for watching.